What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Duracell 3 LED headlamps. 3! Once again, I got this thing for $20. Last year I did my Husky headlight, and that thing was by itself, I think, $14 or something like that. Even if it was $10, it's 1 for 10. This thing is 3, 4, 20 bucks. This thing has 6 different modes of light, and the best thing about this, it comes with batteries. So we do not have to use our batteries. Duracell batteries are pretty good. You know, Duracell and Energizer, they do make the best batteries. I can agree on that. If you know any other brand that makes better batteries, let me know. All right. Instructions are number 1. Alright, you guys, so if you are at Costco, you basically have 3 presents. You could give 1 to somebody else, 1 to another character, and 1 to another person. This is the best thing about Costco. I'm telling you, Costco is lit. Open the box and look how nice it comes in. Now, I'm just going to open 1. The rest we just going to pack up and give it away as a gift. It's the holiday seasons, you guys. You got to be in the spirit. All right, so the strap feels pretty nice. All right, and here goes the light. Alright, so that's the only angle that you're getting. It's not going down no more. See that? Alright, so I'll put it on my head just so y'all can see. Let me see what happens when I pop this top open. Alright, don't want to break it. Alright. And this is how we put the batteries in. This is simple, you guys. Very simple. It says 2 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds to dim, I guess. We will see. Time to put the batteries in. Battery in. Alright, batteries are in. Now we're about to close it. There we go. Alright, so let's get into this review. Turn the power on, and wow. You do not want to put your eyes in front of this light. Alright, this thing is definitely bright. 575. This seems brighter than the lamps that's 700 lumens, and this is 575 lumens. Hit power again, and it powered off. So you have power on this side. The different functions will be on this side, so we'll do that. Hit the different function, and it just went to the side lights here. I don't want to put the light in front of y'all face. I'll hit the function again, and that looked like a daylight beam, so only this beam came out right there. So the light stopped here and it went straight to this light. Alright, let's hit the function again. Alright, now we have our red light, in which you can't see. You can't see it on the wall, so you only can see it right here. Hit our function again. Now we have a strobe light. You could put this on your head while you're riding your bicycle. And then function again. And now we have a daylight. Once again, you can use this if you want to, you know, be out at night, ride your bike, or if you're working. You can use, well, this light might not be bright enough for you, but let me hit function again. I think this was the last one. So yep, this is the brightest light right here, which has the full light and the middle light on. All right, and that's about it. So you know right here, or you can see right here, it has a slot. So what we're gonna do is feed it through the slot, and then feed our headband through these side slots right there. And right there. Oh, that's power. Change my light. Come on now. There we go. All right. And that's pretty good. Not that bad. Now let's take it into the garage where it's fully dark and see how bright this thing gets. I'm about to turn the lights off and we're going to see this thing work at its full potential. Alright you guys, we have the lights off and now I'm ready to turn on the Duracell once I find the button. Alright, that's the power button. Cool. Now, this is mode 1 and I can honestly say that this thing is pretty daggone bright. Alright, let's do the different modes now. This is medium. So you obviously see the tone change. All right. I think that's either low, right there. Got the red light. Now once again, you can't see it unless you're close to an object, but you can see it if I have it on my head and I'm riding my bicycle or e-bike. Whatever you got, motorcycle, whatever. All right, so now y'all see me going past. I'm about to hit the mode again. Hopefully I hit the right button. All right, there goes the strobe. So when you're riding your bike, you can put this on the back of your bike, ride your bike. So you cannot see me, right? Well, I don't know because I'm looking at the LED screen on the camera. So I don't know if you can see me or not, but, and that is the blue light that they have. So definitely if you're riding on your bike, this will be a nice little light to have. And then we're back to normal. This is the brightest light here. All right. Now, I can go here to my engine bay and do whatever work that I want to do. And you can see everything I'm looking at. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this review. The Duracell is pretty cool. I like it. It seems brighter to me. I like how you can have this light right here, and then you could turn this one off and just have this light only, and then it will come to this light. So I like the different functions of lights.